Thank you for stopping by, tuning in. You're the start, you're where it begins. Here at HarmonyFlow, we're dreaming out loud, creating sounds that lift the clouds. You're part of this journey, you're part of this song, and harmony will carry on. For every click, every like, every view, this melody's made just for you. We're building a space, a sound so rare, with notes of calm floating in the air. Here at HarmonyFlow, we're dreaming out loud, creating sounds that lift the clouds. You're part of this journey, you're part of this song, and harmony will carry on. For every click, every like, every view, this melody's made just for you. We're building a space, a sound so rare, with notes of calm floating in the air. Here at HarmonyFlow, we're dreaming out loud, creating sounds that lift the clouds. You're part of this journey, you're part of this song, and harmony will carry on. The future holds a sound so sweet, from relaxing beats to rhythmic treats. We're growing with you, hand in hand. Together we'll explore this music land. Here at HarmonyFlow, we're dreaming out loud, creating sounds that lift the